What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life, and as you can see, Tudia sent me over the Arch S, a ultra slim, lightweight, raised lip protection case. As you can see, it's in that eco-friendly packaging. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all what it looks like. One of my go-to cases. I like these matte-looking cases with the gloss outline. As you can see, all cutouts are present. All buttons are present. You get a rubberized button now instead of the regular button push, but the button push still felt pretty good. Definitely shout out to Tudia. As you can see, we got the faux S9 Plus in the case, which is not looking that great, but as you can see, it's got that matte finish. I definitely love a matte finish. Matte finishes are great, especially when you slap them against some gloss, as I'm going to do now. Throw the phone up in a case, easy install, and this case is just one of those good looking cases. And this case is $7.99 on Amazon. I'm gonna put the link down below. As you can see, looks great on the device, adds some protection. If you don't want to spend those big prices, spend $7.99 on Amazon. Link will be in the description. It's your man BG Tech Life. Thanks for watching. I'm out. Peace.